Solving word problems in subtraction. I have a problem. Paul was asked to deliver 487 bread. He has to deliver 235 bread to May and the other to Donald. How many bread must he deliver to Donald's? Let us use the four plan to solve. First, what is asked? How many bread must he deliver to Donald's? What are given? 487 bread in all and 235 bread for May. Second, to find how many bread Paul needs to deliver to Donald, we subtract 487 and 235. Number sentence. 487 is the total number of bread minus 235 bread for May and N is the bread for Donald. Third, 487 minus 235 equals 252. So, Paul needs to deliver 252 bread to Donald's. Fourth, let's check if correct. 252 plus 235 equals 487.